I'm Chris Foley, and I'm the president and one of 3 founders of P4 Infrastructure, Inc. P4 Infrastructure is using rapidly evolving technologies and applying them in an industry, civil infrastructure, construction, operations, and maintenance, in ways that haven't been done before. As a startup, we have a lot of little questions that arise almost continuously. What insurance do we need? What products are we going to create? Are our customers going to want the products that we think they want? These fundamental questions stem from one basic question. Do we have a viable business, and am I all in? If you can answer that fundamental question in the affirmative, the rest is just getting down to work and getting busy. P4 has been founded by 3 doctoral holding licensed professional engineers that have a combined 60 years of observation and experience in civil infrastructure.